Damn, Sosa. You going crazy.
I do this one by the corner when we get the chance day to do this one we will do. So I hope now they're okay. So there is one thing where I really say I must talk about. Honestly, it's been going on for a while. I don't see videos, I don't see people they talk, they comment on it, and they up and down all over Africa. In fact, it's not only all over Africa. So I say this thing, make I just add my own 2 kobo to the thing we do on ground. You know, say don't say we don't hear Africa unite, Africa let's unite, Africa's unity, Africa's unity, Africa unite. From there we'll hear about OAU, from OAU to AU. You know, from AU, we can get regional organizations like ECOWAS and other regions also have the regional organizations. All these organizations now to forge unity amongst the African people to we're able to bring African people together so that they will come in unity, do things together so as to grow the continent, you know, develop the continent. You know, so that's why they form all these organizations for Africa's unity. And aside that, individuals too, prominent individuals, prominent persons, and other organizations too, also been calling and been talking about or promoting Africa's unity, trying to bring Africans together when they work together. But it goes beyond governments or organizations coming together to want to bring unity amongst Africans. The major work has to do from the grassroots. It wants the people of Africa, the other people in the streets and all that. Says Africa, let's work together. You know, everything go work out fine. So what even make me they talk like this? For a while now, I don't hear about some African countries they talk say ban Nigerian music, ban Nigerian music, ban Nigerian music. Especially countries like Ghana, Cameroon. It's just like Cameroon can't forget pass self. You know, Cameroon can't forget pass. You know, so Ghana, Cameroon, you know, Uganda recently they arrested 2 Nigerian musicians, Omale and Thames. When we go perform. So they be calling that when they ban Nigerian music for their country, Nigerian music don't overtake their own music, everybody they dance to Nigerian music, every club, every party, every event, on the streets, radio stations, Nigerian music they play. Make them ban Nigerian music so that their own go grow. So to me, I want to understand really whether they say ban. Because if you say ban is ban, blanket ban, that is ban everything. That's no hear this about Nigerian music at all. Like one guy for what they call Seaway or so for Cameroon, he went beyond, even go beyond say made the ban Nigerian music because they call Nigerians names, you know. Is that bad? So I want you to understand whether they are calling for total ban. Are they calling for restriction? If they are calling for restriction, I can understand. Say okay, restriction means okay, play more of our home music and play less of Nigeria, not total banning. You know. So if you're talking about total banning, if you ask somebody that, you see somebody who they do well, and they say make them you want drag person down, how will you go grow? How you go grow? Because what I expect these countries to do now to, it's okay. Nigerians have succeeded in bringing, in exporting Africa arts, especially music, you know, but arts anyway, entertainment industry, this music, movie, even comedy out there in the world. Nigerian comedy is out there. So if since Nigerians don't bring Africa to the map, to the world entertainment entertainment map, I expect this country is okay. Let's see how we can collaborate with the Nigerians to also push ours. Let's make see how they do am. Wetin make Nigerians do wetin we tell because Nigerians didn't just wake up one morning or one Nigerian just sing one day and he went over the world. No. Nigerians they work, they suffer. I know these guys suffer before the thing go there. Go musicians, so movie stars, so comedians, so this country they suffer before they. So I been think say these countries, especially the artists in these countries, in these other African ones who are calling for Nigerian music to be banned in their countries too. I think say they will come learn what is the secret, what are Nigerians doing that they are not doing. We make Nigeria's entertainment industry is going global. Because it's already global now. It's already global. But if you see Davido concert in London sold out, Wizkid sold out, Burna Boy sold out. Even before themselves, the band have been doing this outside of Nigeria. In Europe, sold out concerts. Not even that, in Europe. So comedians. You see AY comedy, Basket Mark, see all these O2 Arena in London, sold out. Thousands of people coming to watch them play. So I think say now I think some of these artists from other countries will say, okay, let's work with Nigerians or let's collaborate with Nigerians. Let's see how Nigerians are doing it where they global, so that we too will also replicate what Nigerians are doing in our own country. So that we too will go global. So this talk about bam will not work at all. Will not augur well at all for one, the call for Africa's unity and wanting to make your own industry go global. It won't happen because once you're dragging someone down, you too are going down. That is nature. So there's no way you say you want someone to do something good, you won't pull them down, things say will grow. They happen like that. Now I expect these guys to talk, see how make them work together with these guys where they make Nigerian music industry go global like this. Find out how they do them, collaborate with them. Because nothing Nigerians do. In case you don't know, Nigeria's music industry grew from collaboration with international art. Remember P Square don't do song with Rick Ross. Remember the band and Don Jazzy don't do some collaboration with Snoop Dogg. The band song Oliver Twist, Kanye West was in that video. This was also collaborate with Akon. The video don't do with Chris Brown. Wizkid don't do with Drake. This guy Flavor don't do song with Fally Ipupa. Jemata don't do with Awile Lokumba. And so many other collaborations. Even this lady Yemi Alade don't do with Angelique Kidjo. So all this is a marketing strategy. Nigerians use this collaboration to grow their own music. So if you say if Nigeria had said that, okay, we could ban other countries' music, how would Nigerian music grow? Nigerian music won't be global as it is today. Because of collaboration and learning the art, then Nigerians who are based in Europe, who are into music in Europe, came down to Nigeria. People like Don Jazzy came down. It was in London, JJC squad. The band came down. Sorry, the other two came down with his art. They came down to Nigeria to run the package here. So I think they're there. Not be if you say bam, but how you all go grow. So if we're talking about Africa's unity, it starts from working together, not by saying ban this country's music, ban that country's movie, ban this one, ban that one. And I've never had this country say ban American music or European music. No, like their own fellow Africa's brother music, now they say ban. Instead of coming to work with them to see how they too grow their own culture, grow their own music, put it out there in the global market. You know, so that's it. We need to change our reputation, do away with this mindset of bring down one African country, bring that one down. This one, you know, African countries hating on themselves. You know, so in my next video, I would like to talk about the journey. I want to tell that the journey of the Nigerian music industry, because you know start today, you know just blow out of the blues. I can't define for English. Out of the blues, out of the blue, boom, I went global. No, things happened. Things happened before the music industry went global. So in my next video, in the next video I will talk about how the music industry in Nigeria went global. You know, but you have to help me do something. If you have not subscribed, I beg. Subscription are free, you don't need to pay money. Just that subscribe button, just tap on it. You can tap on the bell icon so that once I post video, you get the notification. And people who don't subscribe already, I thank you now, make them help share, you know, the video so that our ministry will move small. So now me again, thank you for joining me in Gifted Corners. I will see you now in my next video.